Imagine two neutron stars, each packed with the mass of about two suns, spiraling towards each other at mind-boggling speeds. As they draw closer, their immense gravitational pull warps spacetime, creating ripples that travel across the universe. When they finally collide, the energy released is equivalent to the output of billions of suns, producing a spectacular explosion known as a kilonova. This cataclysmic event not only unleashes heavy elements like gold and platinum into the cosmos but also generates gravitational waves that can be detected light-years away. The collision can even lead to the formation of a black hole, a cosmic vacuum that swallows everything in its vicinity. In that moment, the universe reminds us of its incredible power. Like, comment and subscribe for more.